In this video, I want to give you the update that Fulton County has finally released their 2021 Annual Assessment Notice. Fulton County's Annual Assessment Notice was released on June 21st. The deadline due date for you to submit your tax appeal is August 5th. If you haven't received your 2021 Annual Assessment Notice for your Fulton County home or investment property, I suggest you go to the Fulton County Tax Assessor's website and download a copy of it. If you don't know how to download a copy of the 2021 Annual Tax Assessment Notice off of the Fulton County Tax Assessor's website, I will provide a short tutorial here for you. On your computer web browser, you will want to go to fultonassessor.org. As you can see, I'm at the Fulton County Board of Assessors website. And what I'm going to do is click on over to Property Search. And what you will see is a property records search screen. In this example, I'm going to use address search. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Agree. And here, I'm just going to put in a sample address. And then I'm going to click Search. Then you will see the property listed, and you click on it. And then what you're looking for is on the right side where the reports are. You want to click 2021 Real Estate Notice. From there, you'll want to hit the Go button. Now, what I do want to warn you is that the processing circle spinning is going to take a while. And what I'm going to do is speed up this video so that you don't have to go through the painful wait. And now you can see a copy of the Annual Assessment Notice. You will find that the Annual Assessment Notice date here is June 21st. And this is going to be for all parcels in Fulton County. And the last date to file a written appeal is August 5th, 2021. And when you get this assessment notice, you can download it to your computer and save a copy of it. Or you can go print it out. Or you can do both. And that's all it takes to get your annual assessment notice in Fulton County. You should know that Fulton County allows you to file your tax appeals either manually or electronically. If you want to submit your tax appeals manually, you will need to download a copy of their version of the PT-311-A tax appeal form. Fulton County's tax appeal form varies somewhat from the generic Georgia tax appeal form, but they are very similar. What you're looking for is the form that looks like this that I'm showing you on the screen. So to recap, Fulton County's 2021 Annual Assessment Notice was released on June 21st. The deadline due date to file your tax appeal is August 5th. As I always tell people, whether you have your photos, sales comps, and other supporting documents together, you absolutely need to get that tax appeal form in. You can always submit the other information later. Also, I do have other videos where I give my tips and suggestions on how to fill out the tax appeal form and how to submit it, as well as other tips and suggestions on how to get through the tax appeal process. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. While you're at it, take a look at these other videos that I've recommended for you, and I'll see you in my next video.